Be taking a look at here is stock ticker symbol DRYS, DryShips Inc. This one is really popular all over right now. It looks off the bat for a good reason. Okay, what I can see here is pretty obvious, and we're going to talk about that here in a second and try to dissect what happened with DRYS. DryShip Inc. was traded at roughly $3, $4. Looks like about, let's see, we hit our open on November 9th, 2016 at $4.55 and currently trading at $4.70. But on November 15th, you hit a high of $102. So this stock went from $4.55 to a high of 102 within just a few trading days. Blows my mind. I don't know. I mean, what happened here, Joe? On the company standpoint.
Well, it's got the 52-week high at like 400 and change. Let's see. Let me pull this up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the 52-week high on this is $435.90. So $435 a share within the last year, you know, and then with the 52-week low being at 384.
Yeah, then, it looks like there's a split here. Split 1-4.
What was it, 1 for 4?
Yeah. And that was on August 15th. And then another one for 15 on 11/1/2016.
See, I'll go right to their website because, you know, on certain sites they have a lot of different like publications, so it's difficult to like weed through when you're trying to find the actual news from the company.
Right.
When they throw that bullshit in there. Excuse my language.
So, I mean, anybody that's going to be watching this video later on, like I always say, drop us a line. If you know a lot about this company, if you know what's going on here, I'm going to leave the link for the message board down in the description. Just go down there, click on that, let us know. I mean, hey, let the other investors know, because obviously, I mean, me and Joe don't trade stocks. We run investorshangout.com. That's what we like to do. That's what we do. But at the same time, there's thousands and thousands of other investors out there looking for this information that might not know. And if you know, hey, you can definitely feel free to join us in and check out the live stream. You can maybe even add to that, investorshangout.com/live. Stream's completely free. Just sit back and enjoy going through stocks all day. That's what we do. So, yeah, again, I mean, this is a freaking butt kicker over here. I mean, you opened at $51, hit a low at $10.80 and closed at 11. Man, it is just getting slaughtered. And when you see stocks like this, really, what you got to remember, I mean, if you weren't in here, you'd be like, oh, I sold, you know, I was one of them guys that did own this stock. I bought it right here, you know, and boom, it took off and I sold way up here. Yeah, you could have made a couple $100,000, $1 billion, really, off of $4 a share, all the way up to a high of 102 just in a few days. But guess what? I mean, there's people that bought right here, thinking that it's going to recorrect itself and go back up to that 52-week high at $90 a share, and they got their ass handed to them. So remember, there's people on both sides of this trade right here for everybody. So you know, what we do is me and Joe, when we go through these stocks like Aero, AERO a little while ago, I mean, we're looking for them when they're down here. You know, we've just with this list, just with Joe's stock contest that he runs. I mean, I was looking through that thing last night, Joe. You posted a hell of a results, and when I was taking a look at that, I mean, you guys really did really good. So anybody that's listening right now that was participating in that contest, congratulations. I mean, it was like a 50-50 split right now, Joe, between positive and negative. It's literally a 50-50 split.
Yeah, they're doing well.
So, did you want to add anything to this, or we?
No, I just wanted to bring the chart to everybody's attention. I mean, I thought that was, you know, definitely something to pay attention to.
Okay, well, that is for stock ticker symbol DRYS.